Baby, open again. To see him properly. Here we are. Oh, he looks all wet. Hello? Just had a bath. Ah.
Never done it that way.
Ah. Ah, yeah. Jamie, you happy?
You happy?
Ah.
Showing something forward. You happy?
Good boy. What was that?
How's it going then?
Good boy.
It doesn't sound like that.
Yes, it does. Good boy.
Have you heard him say it lately?
No, not really.
What did he say? He says hello.
Jamie.
Step up. Good boy.
Step up. Step up. It's kind of blurry, I tell you. Oh. Jamie, do you want to show us around your crib?
Very messy at the moment.
Lots of toys. Peck him.
Kimber.
He doesn't like you. See? Leave the thing alone. You tell him, Jamie.
What's that mean?
He's go. Oh, Jamie.
What?
He's a big poo. Oh.
That's it. In you get.
No, leave him alone.
I'm sorry, but
It's not his fault. Oh.
naughty. Did you get that?
Pooer. Ah. Oh, crap. Oops, sorry. What?